MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, Analog Devices and Circuit, Unit number 4, Test and Measuring Instruments. So nowadays we are using more number of electronic devices in the day-to-day life. So if you want to test the device, if you want to test the measure the value of the electronic devices, mean uh, you have to use different tools. Okay, so like that instruments we are going to see in this chapter. That is, we are going to see about the different measuring instruments and its characteristics and its application, like that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, so like that multimeters, oscilloscopes, recorders, data loggers, signal sources, counters, analyzers, and printers. Like that we are going to discuss in this unit. First, we will see the multimeter. So multimeter is a device used to measure voltage, resistance, and current in electronic and electrical equipment. It is also used to test continuity between 2 points to verify if there is any breaks in circuit or line. So there are two types of multimeter, analog and digital. So analog has a needle style gauge and digital has LCD display. So there is a two style of multimeter. So that is, one is manually switched. So another one is auto range. So manually switched between the ranges to get the most accurate reading. Okay, for example, if you're using a resistor value 10 means, it will have the different variations. 10 ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 100 kilo ohm, 1 meg ohm, like that it will be defined into accurate values. But in the outer range, switches between ranges automatically for best reading. Okay, just you can put into the particular voltage level or particular levels. Meter leads. So red meter lead is connected to the voltage resistance or ampere port is considered for the positive connection. Probes are handle used to hold the tip on the tested connections. Tips are the end of the probe and provides the connection point. Black meter read is always connected to the common port, is considered as a negative connection. So this is the display and dial setting. So display, digital display, meter tail, panel indicator, probe connections. So these are the common symbols used in the digital multimeters. So now see the how to measure the voltage. So voltage is the unit of electrical pressure. One voltage is potential difference between needed to pass on 1 amp of current to pass through the 1 ohm of resistance. Okay, so voltage is broke up into the two sections, AC and DC. So alternative current is house voltage. So DC current in the battery. So on switched meters, we can use the higher than we expected value. To measure the voltage contact, the lead in the parallel between the 2 points, where the measurement is to be made. The multimeter provides a parallel pathway, so it need to be a high resistance to allow the little current flow through it possible. Okay, this is the measuring models of voltage. So whenever if you want to define the voltage multi voltage meter means you have to fix the voltage meter in the parallel way, because then only you can identify the potential difference between the two circuits. Okay. So this is the model of getting a battery, how to identify the voltage between the two circuits. Then next measuring resistance and continuity. So resistance is the opposition of current. So this resistance measured in ohms. So describe power source before testing. Remove component or part from the system before testing. Measure using lower value if move to next level. Testing for continuity is used to test to verify the if the circuit wire is complete with no open. Audible continuity allow and alarm if circuit is compatible complete. If there is no audible alarm resistance for 1 hour. Thank you.